I know your second name is Pot, but wait. Our chefs, join us. Let's make this spaghetti bolognese sauce. Just cool. Watch at this video, okay? Add in your well-washed chicken wings into an empty pot. Follow in with curry, some Maggi for taste, thyme, and the mixture. I'm going to make another video to show you how I made this mixture. Alright, now give that a good mix and cover to cook. In an empty pot, add in your oil, allow to heat, add in your chopped onions, give that a stir and add in your minced meat. Then give that a good mix as well to properly mix with the oil and everything. Go in with little curry, some Maggi seasoning, and give that a good mix as well. In the other hand, you have to check your chicken and know whether it's ready. You know it's tender, not going to cook it too much. Then add your bell pepper into the mixture and give that a good mix. So now this is the best spaghetti bolognese sauce. What you're going to do in this spaghetti bolognese sauce is to add it into an empty plate. I used the two and I bought it in Asda. Add water, mix that properly and set aside. Allow the bell pepper to fry a bit. Add in the mixture, the seasoning mixture, give that a mix and allow to fry a bit. Then follow up with spaghetti bolognese ready-made sauce. I added in 3 jars of spaghetti ready-made bolognese sauce. So give that a good mix to incorporate properly. Throw in with your Maggi seasoning. Give that a good mix as well. Another thing you're going to do is to add in your stock, your meat stock. Go in with your broccoli. Give that a mix. Add in your well-fried chicken wings. Give that a good mix as well. So now you've made yourself a very delicious spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce. You can pair in with your rice or spaghetti. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I've just made a very delicious spaghetti sauce, bolognese sauce, which I just posted. So if you come across this video, please watch, comment and like the video. And thank you very much for supporting me so far. It's never been easy, but you people has been here supporting me back to back. Thank you so much. I know we're going to get there and I believe we're going to get there. Okay, in as much as that YouTube has demonetized me, I'm fighting as much as I can to get my monetization back, and I'll be posting every week. But before that, I even want to do some work on my YouTube as well, because I want to redo my banner, reconstruct it and make it what I want, so that whatever thing I'm posting or whatever thing I'm doing, it will be going line in line with what I'm doing on my YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. You can also try the spaghetti bolognese sauce and you like it as well. Okay, bye guys.